Do you dream of financial freedom? Are you ready to take control of your financial destiny? Then you're in luck. In today's video, we will unlock the top 10 passive income ideas that will pave your way to becoming rich by 2024. So grab a notepad and get ready to transform your life with these game-changing opportunities. Idea 1. Real estate investments. Our first wealth-building strategy is investing in real estate. With booming property markets and the power of compounding, it's no wonder that real estate remains at the top of the list. Imagine earning money while you sleep by becoming a landlord or investing in properties. The potential for wealth creation is sky high. Idea 2. Dividend stocks. Next up, let's talk about dividend stocks. By investing in well-established companies that pay regular dividends, you can generate passive income that grows alongside the market. As you sit back and watch your portfolio grow, you'll feel the power of compound interest working its magic. Idea 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Have you ever considered becoming a lender yourself? With peer-to-peer lending platforms, you can channel your funds directly to borrowers in need, essentially becoming the bank. Your money will work for you, generating steady passive income through interest payments. It's lending without the hassle of traditional banking. If you are new to our channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Idea 4. High-yield bonds and Treasury securities. Another noteworthy investment avenue is high-yield bonds and Treasury securities. By lending to governments or corporations, you become a financial partner and earn a fixed income. These low-risk investments offer stable returns and are perfect for those seeking passive income with minimal effort. Idea 5. Affiliate marketing. Let's explore a digital frontier now, affiliate marketing. You can partner with established brands and earn passive income by promoting their products or services. Through your unique affiliate links, you generate commissions for every sale made through your platform. The potential is unlimited, and all you need is a computer and a strong online presence. Idea 6. Create and monetize online courses. Are you an expert in a field? Why not monetize your knowledge by creating and selling online courses? With platforms like Udemy and Teachable, you can share your skills and generate passive income while helping others achieve their goals. It's a win-win scenario. Idea 7. E-commerce and dropshipping. The world of e-commerce has witnessed phenomenal growth, and you can tap into this goldmine through dropshipping. By creating an online store and partnering with suppliers, you can sell products without ever handling inventory. Your customers' orders are fulfilled by the supplier, and you focus on marketing and customer experience, a true hands-off business model. Idea 8. Royalties from intellectual property. Have you ever dreamed of creating the next big thing? By capitalizing on your creative abilities, you can generate passive income through royalties from intellectual property. Whether it's writing a best-selling book, composing music, or inventing patentable products, the rewards can be immense. Idea 9. Rental income from assets. Do you have assets lying dormant? Why not put them to work? Renting out spare rooms, parking spaces, or even recreational equipment can be an excellent source of passive income. Make use of what you already own and let it supplement your bank account. Idea 10. Create a YouTube channel. Last but not least, we have the power of YouTube. Sharing your passions, talents, and expertise through video content can open exciting doors to generate passive income. Through partnerships, sponsorships, and ad revenue, you can live the dream of getting paid for doing what you love. There you have it, 10 incredible passive income ideas that can lead you to financial freedom by 2024. Remember, success requires dedication, perseverance, and an unwavering belief in your potential. So take action, choose the strategy that resonates with you, and start building your passive income streams today. The future of your financial freedom begins now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to be the first to know when we drop more amazing content. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and unlock your financial potential.